Airports feel like movement. They feel like transition points between cities, countries, and continents, designed to move people from one place to another as efficiently as possible. But that interpretation collapses the moment you examine what actually happens inside them, because airports are not optimized for movement. They are optimized for delay, for pause, for containment. And that single design choice changes everything. Because in economics, movement creates exchange, but containment creates extraction. And airports are built on containment. A passenger inside an airport is not in a normal consumer state. They are not shopping with intent. They are not deciding with clarity. They are suspended between systems, departure and arrival, where time is already assigned, movement is restricted, and uncertainty quietly shapes behavior. And in that state, something changes. People stop optimizing for price. They start optimizing for relief. And relief is always expensive. We are told airports exist to facilitate aviation, but aviation is not the product. It is only the entry mechanism. The real product is controlled human dwell time, a period where thousands of people are confined, waiting, and exposed to a monetized environment. Companies like GMR Group do not simply operate airports. They design controlled economies. Every corridor, every store, every delay is structured to maximize exposure. Airports are natural monopolies, but the real power is not competition removal. It is absence of exit. Once you enter, you cannot leave. Retail inside airports is not placed. It is engineered. Stores are positioned to maximize exposure, not convenience. You don't find products, products find you. In normal markets, time is a constraint. Inside airports, time becomes inventory. Delays increase dwell time, and dwell time increases spending. Airport pricing appears irrational, but it is not. It is constrained elasticity. When alternatives disappear, price starts being accepted. Airports sit at the intersection of airlines, governments, and operators. But the structural advantage lies with those who control access points. Building an airport requires billions in capital, decades of approvals, and political alignment. This creates a barrier so strong that competition becomes theoretical. Every movement is tracked, every pause is measured, every purchase is recorded. And this data is used not to observe behavior, but to reshape it. But systems built on containment are fragile. When movement stops, the entire model collapses instantly. No passengers, no revenue, no system. Future airports will not react to passengers. They will predict them and guide them before decisions are even made. Airports are not transportation infrastructure. They are behavioral economic systems disguised as movement. And once you see that, you never look at travel the same way again. For more strategic teardowns and deep dive analysis into the systems that shape our world, subscribe to Learning BizCraft. Join the craft today.